Alright guys, we got a new mod today. We're back with another video. This is probably going to be my favourite video installing this mod to the 86. I've been wanting this one for a long time, and actually I'll just go grab it. This is the next mod to the 86. It is a Carbon Carbon Fibre Boot with a Carbon Carbon Fibre DUCKBILL. This has probably been my #1 thing I've always wanted to do. As soon as I got the car, this is one thing I wanted to get, and I finally got it. I do not know how to install this whatsoever. I just know you got to put the locks in, the lights and the reverse camera, and then just bolt it back up like the normal boot does, and put my number plate on. But yeah, this should be a reasonably easy install, but let's get into it. This is my boot. I'm going to take this reverse camera out, number plate, this button, 2 lights, and this lock, and just undo a whole bunch of this stuff so the new boot works. Where do we begin? Where do I begin?
I have no idea.
I guess maybe unclipping this. Oh, the flatheads are gone. There it is. This one up here. Oh, there she is. Put him in the sun. Bowl. This legit looks more hectic. I thought I'll do that, but later that's gonna be a nightmare. Oh no. Legit just a plug. That one. Oh. Oh.
1.8.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
The boot closed with this sitting here. So if we pull this down, this should come off. So we'll spin this off, and then hopefully the reverse camera comes out. How does this come off? Yeah, I think so.
There we go. Try it. I don't think it is, but try it.
Oh no, this is it here.
Yeah.
It says it's down here. That's it there. Oh, this tape is so sticky. It's like melting. Alright, so we unclipped reverse camera. If your car has one, it's just back here behind this liner. Pull it out, and then you can start pulling it out of this rubber grommet. Alright, this, what was it? 12. There you go. Yes.
I want your fucking boot to break your window, hey.
You do want it?
I don't want to.
Oh.
Have you seen that video of the strapping the cops?
What?
Yeah, they got like bogged in like hell soft sand. I was filming the whole time.
Oh.
Alright.
This is so much heavier than my carbon fibre one, but that looks so whack. Just like that.
Out with the old, in with the new. Put it all back together, hey? Feels not tight.
No, just like.
You need to get one of those ratchet one. You can just start with the other one. Let's give her a close, see how she looks.
No, we can't yet.
Oh.
Fuck. Now, this is where we have to put everything else back in. It's out here. This is going to be a mission.
Stop being spastic. Now let's put this thing
No,
back
because you
in.
need to put the
Alright, talk us through what you're doing.
So we're just plugging everything back in, and then we're going to have to install the lights, the lock, put the camera back through, feed it up.
Yeah,
and
double-sided tape.
Yeah. And then we should be done. Where did we put the light? Looks different to the old one.
That's not good.
That does not look like these fit.
That's not good at all.
What?
What?
I swear they were square, like rectangle. Nah. Maybe they'd be right on the edge.
No, wait. There's a piece, surely. Yeah, there's got to be a piece, sorry. There's got to be a piece.
That was a moment.
That was a retarded thing. Right, so yeah, we thought you stuck the lights in here.
I was trying to put the lights in upside down on the inside. I'm an idiot. You get that side down and then that just clips in like that first. There we go.
Easy, fantastic. Alright, these plug into here, like that. Oh no, you have to put it through.
That just pokes through.
Oh yeah, it does too, I'm retarded.
That's actually the next car we're modding, guys.
Yeah, putting an RB26 into it.
Yeah, engine swapping that, and we're going to drop it on its balls. It's a bit too high, as you can see.
Prelude front lip on it. Hi Alicia.
Since this boot didn't have a camera in it already, like this one did, we're going to have to drill a hole and then put double-sided tape around the hole, just like that one. I don't like drilling in the carbon fibre, but... So, we need a little piece. So Alec just left, he had to go do something, so it's going to be me left finishing the boot. We're almost done, but I'm going to get Alicia to film from there. She doesn't want to face it. Here you go. Alright, so we're going to feed this reverse camera cord all the way through into the grommet and we'll plug it back in so then we don't have to worry about it. You just feed it down into here and it will come out this hole down the bottom and feed it through. We couldn't get this down that grommet thing, so what I've come up with, I think we're going to try sticky tape it to like a skewer or something, and then we'll try and feed the skewer through, and then we can pull the cord through. I'll see if this works, I don't know. Okay, it's kind of weird, but we'll try. Pulling it through is actually going to be the hardest part. There we go. Feed this through and connect it back up. Like that. Oh yeah, that's what these holes are for. These are meant to be drilled out. Now that is done. Put my number plate on finally. Alright, so the last scene you would have seen me doing was I was in the car, my legs hanging out, my head in the boot, because I closed the lid of the boot and it didn't open because I forgot to connect this little clip up here, which is the electrical cord to make the auto lock work. So that was a dumb move on my behalf, but everything is done. I put the number plate on, so this is what it looks like. And that is it. Everybody please like and subscribe after that. That is absolutely amazing on the back. I love it. It's my favourite part of the car now. So please go like, subscribe, comment down below something else you want me to do, maybe some ideas, or if you're liking the videos let me know. And then who knows, I might come out with another video soon, or hopefully not too long way. But yeah, alright, so we'll cut to some crispy shots of the boot right now. That's a wrap. That's another video down. Like and subscribe down below. Let us know what you guys think of this in the comments, if you like it or not. I'm in love with it, so I hope you guys like it. And subscribe. Please get me to 1,000 subscribers. Also, I got another video planned. I'm going to do a headlight restoration, which should be up in the next week or two. So subscribe, turn the notification bell on so that you know when I post that, and I'll see you for the next one.